we are going to be creating a little word scramble or letter scramble. And to do that, we have to have several different letters that we can drag around and create words with. So you're going to download words to your lesson 6 folder. And I've opened this up over here. And right now there is an ID called Move Me. And we need actually 6 of those. And they're all going to be kind of set up the same. So I'm going to copy this, paste this over here. And now I have 6 of them, or 6 IDs to find. And if I look down here in my code, my HTML, I have an ID called Move Me. Oop, I think I needed that to be Move Me 1. And so I'm going to change it to Move Me 1 and add a letter here. Now, I don't care what letters you guys pick. It can be whatever letter you want. I'm going to pick letters I know I can make words with. And then you're going to copy that little paragraph. And we're going to paste it. And we want 6 of these. And we're going to change Move Me 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And of course, we want different letters. Otherwise, we're not going to really have much for words. Oops, why? That's not what I wanted. Now, let's see. Okay, so now I have 6 different letters. And you do not have to have the same letters as me. And my next step is to make each one of them draggable. And I have a little jQuery function set up for that, but I need to change Move Me to Move Me 1. And all I'm doing is calling a draggable method here, and it'll make that letter draggable. And so I'm going to copy and paste this as well. You guys probably didn't know this was so easy. And then I'm just going to change the IDs here so that each one of them is draggable. Okay, and I'm going to save. And then I'm going to go ahead and open this. And it's working. For some reason, the draggable stuff does sometimes take a while to load, but I can already tell in my preview window that it worked. This is my preview over here. And I should be able to move these around. Ooh, these are good letters. So you can see how this works. Now, if you guys want to make this look prettier, by all means, go ahead. But this is the minimum of what you need to do. Now, I would probably add some color because right now they're kind of see-through. So I would probably do a couple additional things, but if you're short on time, this is the absolute minimal that you need to do for this one. The next one that you work on is going to be your own creation. So that is going to be a little bit more involved. And quite a few people have used this draggable exercise, the one they create using all of their own stuff, as part of their final project. You can actually take a photo, break it into pieces, and make it into a puzzle. Or you can do different scenes and have, design it more for kids, kind of like a color forms type thing. And you can, I've had students have a dancing dinosaur that they put clothes on. So there's all sorts of creative stuff you can do with this that's fun. And so the next exercise you're going to be working on is your own drag and drop. And so I did a little one here with my little duckies. What you need to keep in mind with something like this is the rendering order of the items is going to affect what is in front and what is behind. Okay, so you can see the pond is in the very back. And you can see that it rendered the water first. And then the dark cattails, okay, these ones were next, and that's why they're behind the duckies and the sun.